Go World Championship 2022. Game 1. Multiplication.
The commentators are Iris Huang, Martin Wu.
Hi everyone, welcome to the 2022 Go World Championship. We're here as your commentators. My name is Martin.
And I'm Iris.
We are so excited to be here to present the multiplication game for you all today.
So if we can see in group 1, we have 3 people. This is our youngest group, and we are very excited to see what they have to offer.
Similarly, it is going to be an exciting game to watch in Group B, where we have 11 players.
And if we go to Group C, this is the group with the most amount of participants, with 15 players.
And last but not least, in Group D, we have our most experienced group with 11 players competing for the title of Go World Champion, which will be a 3-minute timed game. So get excited for the game to become ready and for everyone to start competing.
And we want to make sure that we organize everyone's efforts here, as they have all worked very hard for this title. And this has been literally the top of the top and the best of the best out of everyone using the app, everyone practicing is difficult. So we can be very excited about this competition and what it has to bring for us.
And make sure that you all keep continuing to practice using the Go app. It is the best way to make sure that you can both practice your skills, and the game has gotten started.
As you can see, let's start in Group A. Everyone has been basically tied at the same points, everyone working really hard right now.
So in Group B, it looks like we have about 3 or 4 competitors at the top 4 spots, really close in their scores. Very similar in Group D, we have a couple of competitors nearing the 70 to 95 point range. It's going to be a very, very close race, it looks like. We're down to about 2 minutes now, 2 minutes and 20 seconds right now.
Agreed. As you can see in Group C, you can say the top 3 are also very attached to the hip, as they're all tied and almost basically like passing each other. So far though, we have ASLey leading with a 15-point lead over Darren now, as he has surpassed Mickey.
I just want to point out in Group B, we have an almost tied race for the top 3 spots, with Qilin, Kanisha, and Ryan _2013 taking those top 3 spots. And in Group D, we have Lu Guanhao as the first place competitor at this 1 minute and 30 second mark, with Daniel 123 almost tied there, right about at the same score level.
Absolutely crazy. However, if we go to Group A, we can see it's a little bit different, as we have a more of a steady lead by Yang Zhizhun with 195 points, while Alexander only has 165.
One more thing to point out that'll be super interesting to see is the 3rd and 4th place race that we're seeing here, both all in Group B, C, and D, but also specifically in Group D, right here, 3rd and 4th place, only about a 20-point, 15-point difference between Nickname and iHas Rage CC. So we'll definitely see how that plays out in the next 45 seconds here.
Definitely, completely agree. As you can see in Group C, we have so many of the same points around. For example, our number 1 has now become Mickey, and our number 2, never mind, Darren and Ricky are now fighting for number 1 at the same time, having both the same score and tying with only just 20 seconds left on the clock.
I also want to point out in Group D, Lim Yonghan has the same amount of points as iHas Rage CC. That race is going to be very close to see. And in Group B here, we have a very close race between Qilin and Kanisha, with the point difference only being about 5 to 10 points. So we'll definitely see how that plays out. And time is up.
And the results are out. For in Group A, we can see in 1st place, we have Yang Zhizhun, following with Alexander and then Cupcake in our 3rd place.
In Group B, we have Qilin in 1st place, Kanisha as the 2nd place winner, and Ryan _2013 as the 3rd place winner. Congratulations.
And then Group C, you can see our first place is Darren, followed by Mickey, and then AS Lee. Congratulations to them too.
And last but not least, once again, we have Group D with first place going to Lu Guanghao, second place going to Daniel123, and third place going to Nickname. Congratulations, everyone. This was an incredible game to be a part of and to watch, and we wish you the best of luck in the next game in the competition. Thank you, everyone.